This video will go over how to install the Torklift C1205 Super Hitch 20K on a Chevy Silverado 3500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your Chevy truck with a 2,000-pound tongue weight and 20,000-pound towing capacity when used with weight distribution. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Starting off, lubricate all the factory bolts so they'll be easier to remove. Remove the two bolts by the factory hitch receiver that connect it to the bumper. Remove the bolts connecting the factory hitch side plates to the truck frame. This truck was equipped with an old set of Torklift camper tie-downs that needed to be removed as well. Carefully lower the hitch from the truck. Replace the factory hitch bolts with a supplied bolt, plate washer, and lock washer. Lift your Super Hitch side plate into place over the bolts and secure with two flat washers, a lock washer, and a nut. Slide a 9.5-inch bolt with two flat washers up through the next hole in the frame, using the supplied pipe as a spacer inside the frame. Secure with two flat washers, a lock washer, and a nut. Some trucks may need an additional plate washer. Secure the rearmost threaded hole with a bolt, washer, and lock washer. Repeat these steps to install the other side plate. Make sure all the hardware is left as loose as possible to allow clearance for your cross tube. Lift the Super Hitch cross tube into place between the side plates. And secure each hole with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. This installation was done in conjunction with a set of Torklift truck camper tie-downs. If you're also doing this, simply slide the tie-down receiver into the end of the cross tube and secure with two nuts and lock washers. Torque down the hardware, starting with the bolts attaching the side plates to the frame. Followed by the bolts securing the cross tube to the side plates. Your Super Hitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.